This is just a small radar simulation project using an Arduino module, and it can be implemented in many different ways. You can enhance this project by adding an LED, a buzzer, or any other component you can think of to create a more advanced system. Arduino was selected for this radar project because of its ease of programming, low cost, compatibility with the HC-SR04 Ultrasonic Sensor and Servo Motor, and the availability of extensive libraries, making it an ideal platform for implementing an educational radar system. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to subscribe. To view and download the project code, circuit diagram, and all required files, simply scan the QR code on the screen or use the link in the pinned comment. To set up this radar, we need two software programs, Arduino and processing. In the Arduino software, we copy our code, then select the desired board and click the upload option so that the code is uploaded to our module. To view and download the project code, circuit diagram, and all required files, simply scan the QR code on the screen or use the link in the pinned comment. In the processing software, we copy our code and then click the Run option so that our radar interface is displayed.